Good morning children. This is English video session for class 6. We are doing the book Honeysuckle, chapter number 4, and the lesson is an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Okay, and we are in the working with language part. Yesterday I gave you a topic on the working with language, the opposites. Okay, so an American, Indian American women in space, Kalpana Chawla, we are continuing. Okay, and we are in exercise number C. And now let's see what is the answer for these words. I asked you to write it. I don't know whether you had completed it. Identified, unidentified. Write it. UNIDENTIFIED. Unidentified. Controlled, uncontrolled. Okay. Uncontrolled. Attended, unattended. Okay. Successful, unsuccessful. Okay. Unsuccessful. Spelling is same children. You have to add UN. Don't leave a gap after UN. That is untrue. There is no gap between UN and true. This is a mistake made by children. Don't give a gap between UN and TRUE. Unidentified, you have to write together. Okay, unsuccessful. Important, unimportant. Educated, uneducated. Interesting, uninteresting. Qualified, unqualified. Trained, untrained. Answerable, unanswerable. Can you write it? Yes, D. See it? And what is the meaning of it? Also you need to know. You always have, I have told you, you have to keep a dictionary with you when you are learning English. One of the most important thing I have always asked you is to keep a dictionary. You have to have a dictionary with you. Okay? Yes. Can you write it? Please write. Unidentified, uncontrolled, don't leave gap in between, unidentified, unattended, unsuccessful, unimportant, uneducated, uninteresting, unqualified, untrained, unanswerable. Okay? Yes. In her message to the students of her college, Kalpana Chawla said, "May you have the vision to find the path from the dream to success, wishing you a great journey." May you wish, I wish you, wishing you, I wish your partner good luck. Sports event. How do you wish in a sports event? May I wish you success in your participation in the sports event. How do you wish? So for example, your friend is saying, I am going to participate in the marathon race. Tomorrow I am going to participate in the marathon race. How do you wish him? May I wish you for a successful completion and winning in your marathon run. Can you do it? Yes. Imagine he is going to play, he or she is going to play a football match. May I wish you to win the success in your oncoming football tournament, football match. Okay, now how will you do it for a quiz competition? Okay, may you be able to answer all the questions posed by the posed in the quiz, and wishing you all success for your upcoming quiz competition. All the best. Now you have always your test and examination. Okay, test of examination. How do you do? May you be able to recollect what all you studied in the subjects and write it appropriately. May I wish you success in your examination. Okay, may I wish you good luck and success for your examinations. Okay children, this is how. Be sure that thank you a partner when you, so for example somebody is telling wish you all these things, what should you say next? Go. Shut your mouth and go. Is that? No, usually. Okay, thank you. I wish you the same. You also have to wish them in order to, in return of their wish. If they are also going to go for an examination, you should wish them also. If they are going to go for a sports event, you have to wish them. I also wish you. I too wish you the same, or I wish you that you should get all success in your marathon. You should get all wishes. You should also wish back. Okay, first you should say thank you, then continue. Is that clear? Yes, you can also send it in the, see, you may also look up the telephone dictionary or go to the post office and get a list of the English and Hindi of standard phrases that can be sent in greeting telegrams anywhere in India. Discuss which of these you might use and when. Compare the English and Hindi phrases for expressing good wishes. Do you have such phrases in Kannada? Do you know Kannada? What are all the phrases that can be used in Kannada? Yes, in all languages it is there. Vijayi Bhava. Anna? Vijayi Bhava. They say no? In Hindi? Yes. Like each language they say. Now you know, you tell your parents what are all the words. You ask your parents what are the words for wishing success in your mother tongue. Could your parents and ask them what are all, take 5 words, when what are all the words they will say in Hindi, in Kannada, in Marathi. If you know Marathi, you ask, try it in Marathi. If you know any other Telugu or any other language, try it. It's so fun, is it not? Wishing is something which is so happy, is it not? Imagine you may get a friend in Hindi, you speaking Hindi, or one who may be Punjabi, knowing things. Imagine you tell him, wish him or her in his mother tongue or her mother tongue. How happy they will be. Yes, you should know. Okay. Will you learn it? Yes, go. Learn it from your parents. What is it in your mother tongue? Then you can try it for the other languages. Okay. Understood, children? Yes. Yes. Do you have a dream or something you wish to do? This is a wonderful question, children. You have always, I always ask the children to write about aim of their life. Dream is only aims. Dreams, aims, goals. All these things are very, very important in your life, is it not? What do you wish to do? Do you have a dream? Everybody has a dream. Everybody. Okay. Oh, the dream is to go to the next step and next step and next step. Yes. And what is the most important thing one should do? Pursue your dream with courage. Okay, one has to pursue their dream with courage. All success will be in their footsteps. Okay, children, that is how we have to do. So how do you start? Yes, what you have to mention about your dream. What is a dream? What is a dream? What is your aim in life? What is that? And what are all the steps that you are taking for the to achieve that dream? Who are the people who are guiding you, helping you, and wishing you for the dream? How do you think it is going to happen when such things are, such a dream is there in your mind? How much efforts will be taken by you? What is the effort and how do you wish it to happen? Okay, can you write, children? A paragraph? Definitely you can write, because you are all having a dream. Let it be anything. You want to become a doctor, you want to become a pilot, you want to become an astronaut, you want to become a film star, whatever, a politician, whatever. You have the dream. What do you want to do after pursuing to the dream? What are the things you want to manifest? What do you want to carry on with as a duty in your future? Can you write it? Yes, very good. By this I stop this class, children. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you, children.